Hi and welcome to Mataba News Report. Harrismith police have arrested a 31-year-old man from Buffer Zone in Indabazwe for the alleged murder of his 67-year-old uncle J. Simon Ngonwane. On the 2nd of February 2026, police found the victim's body in his bedroom with multiple stab wounds on his head and legs. Later that day, police traced the suspect to his shack. He allegedly attacked the police with a knife, leading the police to shoot and injure him in his leg before apprehending him. Along with the knife, police recovered a blood-stained spade suspected to be the murder weapon, as well as the drug and rifle ammunition. The suspect faces charges of murder, common assault, possession of a dangerous weapon, possession of unlicensed ammunition, and possession of drugs. He is expected to appear before the Harrismith Magistrates Court on Wednesday, February 4, 2026. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this story. These things, they keep happening where people, they kill people and keep them in their rooms under the bed or in their bedroom or somewhere in the bedroom. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next story. I am Makabongwe Mataba. Goodbye.